don't just leave your plate here. Dishes, make sure that the
Yo,
dishes are clean.
I'm too extreme. Like I can't even have visitors at my house because I don't want a person like like at my place. Like you see, when I go out maybe to do like shopping, the shoes that I used are not allowed to walk around the house. I
So you're
ngiyasikhumula
gonna
like
leave them by the door.
I ngiyasikhumula emnyango, then I have a box where I put them and then I wear socks in the house.
Yeah, I
Because I
mean
don't know,
that's
my head. I feel like in my head, like if I walked around everywhere with the shoes, I feel like they just gonna make the whole house dirty, like some kind of spirits are coming in the house.
no, not spirits, but making the
It's
house
my
dirty, of
head. I
course.
don't know, and it's so bad, and
Oh,
it makes it so hard for me, like to have visitors because basically I feel like I don't even know how to explain the feeling. Like even if I
okay.
have a visitor, I don't want the visitor to just like do anything. I want the visitor to just sit down. If you want to eat something, I'll make it for you. I don't even want you to wash the plates because I'll feel like you'll wash it wrong. I want to do everything by myself. The only thing you do is just shower and sit down. And when you finish
Okay.
taking a shower, like I'll just clean the shower. And it makes people feel like ngati like I'm phone for them to be around.
Okay. I mean, you clean like that, but remember, eventually, if it's part of your future plans, you're gonna have kids if you don't have. And kids are wild. You understand? Kids go outside, bring dirt indoors. So
I don't think uzodlala ngaphandle.
hayi khona. Hayi uyahlanya. Hawu wena ufuna ukwenza nomntwana? The kid must go and play outside. Ayibo. Uzokhula umntwana. Like the kid must go and play outside. Like, oh,
No, you're not allowed to help in my
ah,
house. You're not allowed to help with
no,
anything.
never. The kids, it's fine. Even if he or she goes and plays outside. When she comes back in the house, let's say kids, they play outside the whole day, then they come back lunchtime, you make them a quick lunch, they eat, go back to play. Then around this time is where they want to come back. You understand? Of course, when when she comes back this time, there's the bathtub. You take the kid to the bathtub, take a shower or bath, you understand? Then have dinner. Of course. Not to Gucci, like the kid must just be indoors. The uzoklanya musumntwana wakho.
Uzohlala
How?
abukele i-TV.
No, uzoklanya, uzomklanyisa.
Yeah. And this thing is so
Hayi
bad because it
bo.
also makes it hard to like maintain a relationship because one small mistake, like you just done.
No, and another thing, remember,
It's a sickness.
okay, and another thing that you must know, like now, where I'm sure ukhule udlala ngaphandle, right, with your friends. Don't lie. At some point, even if you're not doing it every day, but there were times where you
I'm
were doing
telling
it.
you, even now, even my siblings, anyone, they'll tell you always. We don't know that thing always. But I have memories. The time when I used to visit my grandmother, like we used to go, like there's this other cousins of ours, go fetch the cows. And at
Yeah,
some point, he made us swim in Fuleni.
exactly. You understand? You had that those moments and those memories as a child. Do you understand? For the mere fact that you were once outside as a child, my goodness,
Even
not
now, yes, fortunate, I struggle with being outside and being with people. If you notice, like I'm always on my own.
that's okay. There's nothing wrong with
I
that.
struggle with making like friendships, being with people and stuff like
It's
that.
fine. Not having
It's not
friends is not a bad
fine.
thing. It's okay.
You have to have friends, people that you can just go out with, call, have conversations.
Okay, you just said to me right now that you don't tolerate, like you don't really like visitors because you know how visitors are. And when you love your place clean, right? Pella, remember, when you're going to have friends, at some point they're going to want to visit you. Let's go and check out Ali and have some mimosa or whatever that you guys drink as friends. Your place is going to end up